So for acoustic dampening, we want to use our anti-flutter product here, which is our MS222. Great product when you're doing roof skins and door skins, proper for the procedure. Right? It's right here on our poster. The nozzle that we're going to use, MS222, and you can use our blue gun, which we actually on the poster refer to in our poster as multi-press pistol. So we're going to load it up into our gun. And where you want to use this product is between your skins and your actual crash bar, as you would see highlighted here in the door. In some cases, you'll see those in your hoods, and you'll actually see this also in your roof as well. Okay. What's good about this product? It's solvent-free, so no smell when you put it down, right? And you can build it any way you like. Has a great vertical hole. Keeping the product where you place it is going to stay exactly where it is, right? And you can take your panel, once you put it down, it's very pliable. So what's good about this product, it's not going to push, it's going to expand or contract. It's going to stay exactly where you left it. So a great product to have, especially for acoustic dampening. So it's our MS222 anti-flutter.